Honestly speaking, Umakumala, she's so lucky, guys. She might not be lucky when it comes to daughter, but other stuff, I guess, and her ancestors are working overtime. So, anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So, don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment, say happy Friday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to sort of today. For those who don't know, Umakumala, she has a 9 to 5. She's an influencer, a radio presenter, a motivational speaker, guys, and we all know that when you are influencer you do get brand deals. So guys, this is what Umakumala posted on her Instagram account today, because people have been saying about everything Umakumala she's getting for free, guys. She went on to say, my sponsored hairliner 7 months ago, I traveled from Durban to Johannesburg, trusted Dr. Kenny. She tagged the company with one of the most personal journeys of my life, restoring my hairliner. So guys, imagine getting a sponsor for a hairliner, guys. Hi guys, and Abu Makumale, they are so lucky, guys. I wonder why Musamsaleke is trying so hard to humble Makumale. A few weeks ago on the channel in September, when Musamsaleke was visiting Makumale, he exposed Makumale. You know, obviously we know Makumale, she's an influencer, guys. They will get free stuff. He went on to say, "Ikishin Unity Makumale, it was a sponsored one." Makumale came out to say, I pay 100,000 rand. Yes, I'm an influencer. I do make money online, but doesn't mean that I cannot pay for my kitchen unit. And people are saying, okay, so you will do stuff for the other wives, you're not gonna do it for Makumala because she's an influencer. That is totally unfair. But I'm saying, like, oh, guys, one thing about Makumala, she will clap back. You know, she's getting free stuff. You know, she's enjoying. She's working hard. So you can do anything, guys, if you want. I mean, online, everybody is free. Everyone has a right. If Makele wants to post videos dancing on TikTok or Mayeni, Mango, they can all do that, guys. Everyone can be influencer. There's no need for you to have a degree, a diploma, a matric certificate. You can just wake up and just record videos and make money, guys. You never know. After a few months, the brand deals, they will recognize you. So anyway, guys, I guess I'm happy for Makumala, guys. You know, I'm really happy for her. Anyway, guys, happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.